Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. As you can see guys, I have so many clear candle holders. So I said to myself, let me make a beautiful table setting for you guys. And a lot of them from everywhere, Home Goods, thrift stores, Burlington, Amazon, everywhere. So this is half of everything that I have, but I don't have that many candles, so I'm using for the amount of candle that I have so far. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and guys, please watch till the end because I'm sure you're gonna love it. Just the process. And this candle holder, I used it last year for one of my Christmas table setting guys, and this style is super unique. You can use it for any occasion. Okay guys, I'm going to start by remove my old decor to add new one. And guys, before I do so, this is a video collaboration with Hicozy that sent me this ice maker. Guys, if you're on the market for one, this one is a good option. If you decide to order one, that's the way it's gonna look like when you receive yours. This ice maker make ice within 5 minutes. So guys, if you need something very quick, this is a good option. You can check them out. Inside the box you have the manual instruction, and once you open the pack, the envelope, you will see like everything that they have in return, how to take care of the product and everything. So they have good customer service. The ice maker is a decent size because I live in a small apartment and it doesn't take away too much space, and I like the style. And one of the things about it that I like, it's auto water refill. You don't have to keep pouring water. If you don't want to, just plug it to your water source and you will be good to go. Guys, I'm not using this feature right now, but guys, it's a good to have, and it has all the tools that you need to install it, which is super good. And the size is very decent, as you can see. And guys, it has a decent size of plug too, so if you want to put it further away, so you'll be able to do that also. But me, I just put it right there, and I have just like fixed it and put it behind it. And one of the things so guys, if you have little children, it's not easy to move. I push a lot of power to move it, which is very good, especially for me because my grandson coming over often. And one other thing guys, I love light, and the way the light is inside of it is very cool. So at nighttime when everything, I put the light in my LED, and it's super cool. And another thing again guys, this one, if you want to just dump the water, you can do it very easy with this, which is very convenient. I like it because you don't have to worry about anything. As you can see, I have the button echo, and you can set it up to cycle. If you don't want to keep doing, you can just empty it, or if you want to cycle it, you just put it under cycle button. Is gonna keep making ice for you guys, and is auto self-cleaning, which is very nice. As you can see, very easy to dump the water. So I'm not going to move it, just do it like that. As you can see, have all the instruction in front. I like it for my kid. 5 minutes, I already have ice, and it can make up to 55 pounds of ice a day. I leave those here because of my kids. They know they don't have to go to the manual instruction. Very convenient for them to see. As you can see guys, this is the shape of the ice, which is very nice. I'm going to show a little bit closer that you can see. Really good to have. Guys, the link is in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out if you want one like this. In this holiday season coming up, so if you're serving people, be able to make 55 pounds of ice a day is a good thing, and you're able to have ice in 5 minutes, which is very good thing. Is 2 times faster than the other ones. And this ice maker is energy saving, eco-friendly, and the ice is chewable. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys if you want one like this. And guys, let's go back decorate the dining room and keep on watching.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do home decor product review, clean with me, DIY. I do my hair, I do my nails. Guys, I'm doing vlog. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. As you can see, guys, there's no particular way to set up the candle holders. I just lay them just up and down, just low, small, big, medium. I just mix and match them so I can have a beautiful look, and I'll see how everything goes. I use gloves, guys, just to prevent fingerprints on my candle holders. The beautiful placemats, I got them from Burlington. And guys, the link of everything that I use, I'll do my best to leave them in the description box down below as much as I can. And guys, if I don't have the link for them, I'm just gonna leave the place that I buy them from. Okay guys, keep on watching.
I couldn't get him off my mind.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And make sure guys to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Even you don't like it, just leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you guys.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, on dit merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder les vidéos, mon aimé. As you can see guys, I showed you how different aspect of the dining area when the candle light on and when they not light on. So guys, I really love how everything turns out. So make sure to check the box down below if anything you want or if you want to recreate the look. So make sure to check the box down below.
Come alive. Oh, when we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now.
Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!